Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end this week. The Fed chose to keep rates the same this week, and all of the major U.S. indices reached fresh all-time highs. The tech-heavy NASDAQ ended the week the highest, almost 3% up, while the S&P 500 and the Dow closed out the week around 2% higher, and the small-cap Russell 2000 ended the week up 1.6%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week, 10 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with communication services up nearly 5%, followed by tech. To the downside, real estate was the only sector to end in the red on a weekly basis. Looking at some stocks on the move, a big week for IPOs as we saw Astera Labs join the NASDAQ and Reddit join the New York Stock Exchange. Astera Labs started trading on Wednesday above its IPO price of $34 a share, opening for trading at $52.46. The AI-exposed stock continued to gain during the week. Reddit, on the other hand, also spiked higher on its debut, opening at $47, well above its IPO price of $34 a share, but the stock did fall today. Apple had a volatile week. The tech company started the week gaining on news of a potential deal to license Google's Gemini AI training model for use in its iPhones. But shares later fell after the Department of Justice announced that it'll be suing the tech company for breach of antitrust laws and claiming the company has a monopoly over the smartphone market. Shares fell initially on the news, but found some recovery Friday as analysts such as Bernstein predicted the lawsuit would likely result in nothing much more than a fine. Shares closed relatively flat on the week. And finally, Lululemon plummeted after reporting relatively strong fourth quarter earnings, but guidance missed estimates. Multiple analysts cut their price targets on the stock in response, including Wedbush, Morgan Stanley, and Citigroup. The stock hit 6-month lows on Friday and closed out the week down around 13%. Let's look at what to watch for next week. We'll have some notable data throughout the week. On Monday, we'll see new home sales. Thursday, we'll see the GDP and consumer sentiment. Then on Friday, which will not be a trading day for Good Friday holiday, we will see the PCE index. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.